A message to my dear mama. Mama, wait till you suffer for me, I can never forget. And giving birth to me, you will never regret. I know say they pray for me every day and night. I know say they pray make it better for me, but.
Hi everyone, my name is Dhot. In this video, I want to teach you how to connect terrestrial channels. Moderation work, that is hotel moderation work. In case you want to have like 3 channels on RF when scanning, this is how to do it. You need a splitter depending on the channels that you want on that particular connections. If you need like 3 channels, 4 channels and above, you have to use a splitter that is up to 5, 6 channel, 8 depending. You can use 8, then anyone that remains, there's no issue. This is splitter, what we call splitter. This is splitter. And you need a modulator. This is what we call modulator. This target modulator. And this is booster. We call it arcade booster. So please, and you need, depending on how many channels you want to get, you want to install on a particular TV in a hotel. This is about 3. I'm using 3 decoders for example. I'm using 3 decoders and I need 3 channels on this connection. You need RF connector. This is what we call a RF connector. This is it. You need a male plug. This is it. A male plug. A male plug, or you call it a male connector. And this is a female connector. And this jointer, what we call jointer. That is to make your work look neat. And we have here with this what we call heavy wire or heavy cable, all the same. And you this is a coaxial cable. Okay, let's go into get into the practical. Please, where you don't understand, ask questions. And please, I'm begging you, if this is your first time coming across our YouTube channel, please subscribe, share and comment, please, so that whenever we post a video like this, you will participate with us. I want everyone to follow this video. A lot of you has been asking me, please show us how to connect this very work, how to do this very connection, but due to chance. So please, when you are lost, ask question. You are free to ask question. I want at the end of this video you will know how to do it yourself perfectly. Okay, this is my AV. This is my AV. So this is my first decoder. So I'm using AV out from the decoder to connect it. This is my first decoder, and this is my first modulator. Then as you see it, then from here to here, the same thing, white to white, you can see, red to red, then yellow to yellow. This is my first decoder, my first channel. Then the second channel, the same thing you do at the first decoder, you do with the first decoder, is the same thing you are going to do here with the second decoder. They are separate. Connect it the same way. You can see this is my second decoder, and I'm using this particular decoder as my third decoder, strong. Okay, and this is my third modulator, which is the third channel. Okay, let me arrange it this way so that you see it. This is my power source. This is my modulator, the three modulators. Okay, this is my splitter, four-way splitter. This is my coaxial cable. Now, step 3, you are going with the connecting the coaxial cable. You are using RF out from the modulator. From the modulator, RF out of the modulator to the splitter out. Because here we are having in and out. This is the splitter. Let's see the forward. Then you connect it to your splitter. Then your second modulator, this is your channel. So if I say channel, you should understand that I'm talking about your modulator, which is true. The third channel, it's here. Okay. Where is it? Okay, we are using this the 3 channels, and this particular coaxial cable will supply the three channels now that we are going to have to the TV, to your RF. This one is going straight to your TV. Let's assume it is in a hotel. The cable has been connected in all the hotel room. Then they will drop the main master connections at where you are going to fix the machine. The connection is there. The electrician have done the connection, and you also have to confirm what the electrician is doing so that you will not have issue. If not, you will connect it. After connecting it, you will discover that the thing is not working. So you have to be very, very careful. You have to go and check all the connection, how the connection is, test the channel, each and every one of them, to see when you are having fault, so that you can detect it and correct it. Okay. Then your modulator power. This the power, the modulator power. Look at it here, please. This is the modulator power. The power of the modulator. Then you power your modulator by socketing it. So my socket is on. You power your modulator. The first modulator is being powered. The first modulator is being powered. Then the second modulator is being powered too. As you can see, please watch me. Where you don't understand, you are free to ask questions. Leave a comment on the comment section. We are going to assist you, please. I don't want by tomorrow you ask me this question again. Okay, by now you are finished with the connection of the decoder to the modulator, from the modulator to the splitter. So now for you, it's time for you to power your modulator. Modulator 2, modulator 3. Okay, this is it. The modulator, if you can see, they are all powered. And another thing that I want to show you on this modulator, if you don't know, you need to set the modulator before you start scanning on your TV, so that you get everything right. So the modulator can carry as much channel as much as 99 channels. You can be able to do 99 channels. Okay, I want to set my modulator. Look at it. My first modulator, I set it to 77, the number. Then the second I use 76. Then the third one is 75, and which will give us the channel very clear. Nothing will stop it. So this one now, you insert your male connector. This wire now is going to TV. It's going to TV. You put it at the back of your this thing, RF, at your antenna port. Then use your TV remote, scan all of them. the 3 channels will appear. Very neat. So nothing much. And when you should be using this booster should be when the distance of the coaxial cable is far from the decoder, then you can use it. But if the thing are closer, you can use it like that, it will still work. But if it is a distance, you have a vast distance of it, so you have to use a modulator, booster. This is what we call booster. Look at this, look at the what it look like. So you use it. Then if you have, let me say, a distance of it's just like amplifier, you can use it at the distance of, let me say, close to 100 meters, let me say above 50 meters or 50 meters. That is where I normally use my amplifier, my lines amplifier, or I use booster. Because once the signal, the picture quality drop, then you have to use a booster to boost it so that it will clear. The thing will be very, very neat. Then you have a vivid view. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Please, if this is your first time coming across our YouTube channel, please like, share and subscribe, and remember to comment on the comment section, please, so that we may be able to get back to you. Thank you very much.